This video is Chapter 19.5 Beneficial Roles of Prokaryotes. Key concept: prokaryotes perform important functions for organisms and ecosystems. Main ideas: prokaryotes provide nutrients to humans and other animals, and prokaryotes play important roles in ecosystems. You and other people usually think bacteria in or on food are harmful. And it is true that food poisoning caused by bacteria can be a serious problem. However, some bacteria are safe in food and actually provide a taste or texture that many people enjoy. Swiss cheese, sour cream, and butter are just a few products that are made with the help of bacteria. Eating food produced by bacteria is not dangerous, as long as they are the right kind of bacteria. First main idea: prokaryotes provide nutrients to humans and other animals. Prokaryotes, such as the bacteria shown on the screen here, are a key part of the animal digestive system. A balanced community of prokaryotes in our bodies is important for our health. Prokaryotes have a beneficial relationship, or mutualistic symbiosis, with the host animal and break down food while getting a place to live. They also make vitamins and other compounds and keep away harmful microbes by filling niches that might otherwise be filled by disease-causing bacteria. In turn, the host animal provides the bacteria with food and a home with a stable pH and temperature. Humans can get nutrients from prokaryotes in other ways as well. Many foods that humans enjoy are fermented by bacteria. Bacteria help ferment, or chemically break down, many dairy products people eat every day, such as yogurt and cheeses. Pickles, soy sauce, sauerkraut, and vinegar also depend on fermentation by prokaryotes to produce their flavors. Second main idea: prokaryotes play important roles in ecosystems. Even though you can't easily see them, prokaryotes play important roles in every ecosystem they occupy. Some, such as cyanobacteria, produce oxygen through photosynthesis. Others help recycle carbon, nitrogen, hydrogen, and sulfur through the ecosystem. The absence of prokaryotes in the environment can disrupt an ecosystem, since other organisms rely on them for survival. Photosynthesizing prokaryotes include purple and green photosynthetic bacteria and cyanobacteria. Whereas purple and green bacteria use light to make carbohydrates, they do not produce oxygen. Cyanobacteria, however, are similar to plants in how they produce oxygen as a byproduct of photosynthesis. Cyanobacteria are named for their greenish-blue, which is called cyan, color. Recall that cyanobacteria played an important role in early Earth, supporting the life forms we are familiar with today. Fossil evidence suggests that there was very little oxygen on Earth prior to the appearance of cyanobacteria. Some colonies of photosynthesizing cyanobacteria, as well as other bacteria, are also able to fix nitrogen. Although much of the atmosphere is made up of nitrogen gas, which is N2, this is not in a form that plants or animals can use to make amino acids or proteins. Remember that nitrogen fixation is the process of converting atmospheric nitrogen, N2, into ammonia, which is NH3, as well as other nitrogen compounds that plants can then use. Prokaryotes supply usable nitrogen to ecosystems ranging from grasslands to forests to Arctic tundra. Some types of nitrogen-fixing bacteria are free-living, while others live along with other organisms. Legumes, a group of plants which includes peas, beans, alfalfa, and clover, have a mutualistic relationship with nitrogen-fixing bacteria. These bacteria live in the plant's nodules, or small rounded lumps that form the roots, a picture of which is on the screen here. The bacteria provide usable nitrogen to the plant by capturing nitrogen gas from air trapped in the soil. They combine the nitrogen with hydrogen to produce ammonia, NH3. In return, the plant supplies food and shelter to the bacteria. Scientists have found many ways to use prokaryotes to benefit industry and the environment. One important use of prokaryotes is bioremediation, which is a process that uses microbes and other living things to break down pollutants. For example, some types of bacteria can digest oil, which is helpful for cleaning up oil spills and other industrial accidents. Workers spray oil-polluted beaches with a fertilizer that helps that bacteria grow. Bacteria can digest almost any product that humans can make, including poisons. Therefore, they play an important role in recycling and composting. When you hear the term biodegradable, it often refers to the ability of bacteria to break down a material. Some of the only materials made by humans that cannot be biodegraded are certain types of plastics. This video has been Chapter 19.5, Beneficial Roles of Prokaryotes. The key concept: prokaryotes perform important functions for organisms and ecosystems.